Hi, Phil from Got Memories here. In this video, I'm going to show you the file structuring of movie film reels. So once they're digitized, how it all comes through digitally in terms of the sequential ordering, the digital mirror, as I like to call it, of your reels in a digital form. So with these reels right here, a lot of you have these little 3-inch reels or larger size reels. One thing I do here at Got Memories, I keep everything in its original form. So I do not splice any of these reels together. Almost all companies splice these reels onto larger reels. Like this one here is a 400-foot reel, and there's 1 through 8 on it. This has come from another company that did it a long time ago. And so if you do have a system here, like this is like Home 1977, etc., this can all be kept in its original form on a digital version. So 8mm. So right here I have reels 1 through 8. So everything is kept intact in terms of what you have right here. So you can either number them yourself, or I go through them and check the best I can based on the dates of, what's written on them. Hopefully they are what they are, but if not, it doesn't matter because you can easily edit them, edit the file names and merge clips together. So this is what you have here. So these are all video files and you can scroll through them and you can view them in different ways. So I'm just going to pull this up here. So if you click on one, it'll come up and then you can very quickly scroll through the entire film reel that quickly. Now you can see the quality here. This looks like 1950s, 1960s based on the TV. You can take screenshots. You can go through it frame by frame. You can edit them. So using QuickTime Player, which is native on the Mac, or it's a free download on PC. If you want to make very small, just simple trims and merges, you can trim the clip right here, trim, and then just like if you've got an iPhone or an iPad, you can just shorten the clip if you want to save just a little piece and save it as a separate file. You just click trim, boom, now you have a short file here, and you can just save it now as whatever you want. Doesn't alter the original. Now, if you've got, say, a bunch of reels that, you've got Christmas morning 1973, let's say, and you can, type out in the file name, and then there's that. But if you've got a couple that are like, the same birthday party, and you just want to create one merged reel out of, say, like 3 that are all from the same day or same event. So let's just say reel 6, 7, and 8 is, the same birthday party, let's say. So you just take reel 7 and you just hold down the mouse and you just drag it over into the timeline. So you see now it adds to it. So that little yellow box there, or you can put it in front, doesn't matter. And then you let go and then boom, now it's part of that sequence there. You can take 8, you can drag it over, add to it, and then done. Now you've got more of a combined total and you can just save it now as a new file. It's that easy to do with QuickTime Player. And you don't need fancy editing software. You don't need to spend money. This is free and it's really quick to render. It's real time basically. Not real time, quicker than real time in terms of, a 30-minute clip might take 5 minutes versus hours on other software. But yeah, so if you're not sure what's on them, it doesn't matter because it can all be maneuvered. And if you want to create different folders for family members, you can put, Mike and, it's all Mike stuff. And then you can drag all these files now into a different folder for Mike. Or if you've got birthdays, you know, or Christmases, let's say. So you can just put Xmas, and you can put, you know, let's just say these 3 reels here, 2 reels. They go in that folder, so they're all there. You know, and so whatever you imagine in your head of organizing all of these individual pieces of media or merging them together, it can be done so easily with your mouse and keyboard and on the computer here. And from there, you can put it back onto a flash drive, plug it into smart TVs, you can stream it, AirPlay it, like through your Mac here or whatever, you know, PC or what have you. You can mirror the screen, or you can upload it to YouTube, which I've put all of my stuff on YouTube as unlisted. So the world, it isn't public, but I can have it stored. It's free. The player works great. Everyone has the YouTube app on their devices. So you can share out links and no one's asking you, wait a minute, what's this link? They just tap it and away you go. And you can use YouTube chapters as well within there in the descriptions. I got other videos on that as well. And it's totally free on YouTube. Will play, obviously, if you're signed in through your TV, the YouTube app, boom, your home movies are there. You're not looking around for your flash drive and where did you put it, down the back of the seat, back of the couch. It's all permanently there, and it is 100% free. So that is where I've personally put my stuff. It's not for everybody, but the option is there, and it's pretty straightforward to do. So anyway, if you do have these movie film reels, you want to keep them all intact, or get a quote to get them transferred or what have you, gotmemories.com, gotmemories, there you go. And if you are looking for a company, good luck out there, but make sure you go to Google and look up the reviews. I mean, I got it's more than that now, but do great work, and all the work is done right over here, all the film transfer equipment. I got videos on all of that as well. All the best, guys. Cheers.